Fall colors in northern Michigan this year look like something straight out of a movie. And while pulling the jet ski out of the water put an official end to summer, fall certainly did not disappoint. All right, guys, we are up here. It is October 13th today. This week is supposed to be like peak colors here in northern Michigan, specifically like the Bel Air to Traverse City, up to Petoskey area. It's Hunter's dad's birthday today, and then we're also just kind of going to be doing some filming with peak colors and trying to get footage of the tower with the leaves changing color and everything. So that is the kind of the plan this weekend. Tomorrow, our friends Mark and Becky are coming and seeing the tower for the first time, so that'll be cool. Yeah, it's coming along. Windows are in, plumbing. We have our plumbing, electrical, and mechanical permits. Now we just got to get this dang patio. The patio for the third level arrived yesterday. You can see it's right over here. Hunter hasn't seen it yet. Yeah.
I kind of expected more for the freaking price of it.
Well, it's made of all steel.
Yeah.
The turnbuckles and the knife plates are up in the first level. But yeah, this is the patio that's going on the third level up there. We rented a SkyTrack for the week to get it up there. We got to set the knife plates, and then also we have to deck this before we can lift it, and then we'll put the railing on afterwards. But it's made of steel. I mean, this thing weighs a lot. But it's pretty good size.
So this is the side that goes against the house.
Yeah.
And then the
Turnbuckles
go into here and screw up onto the wall.
Yeah.
And so then the railing drills into
The decking.
Into the decking.
Going together. Back home, we had a gender reveal party with all of our closest family.
Yeah, we're going. Grandma's doesn't have to.
Ready? So you
All right.
know it?
Oh my God. No way. I should have trusted my gut.
All right, guys, we are installing the patio today. It's gonna be pretty sketchy because it's about 30 feet in the air. This thing is a straight steel channel and it weighs a ton. And we're trying to get it up on this hill with the SkyTrack. So it's gonna be interesting, but hopefully we can get it hung, and then we can get our framing inspection and all that other stuff. So Tom is on the second level right now, putting in some of the blocking and everything, and then I'm gonna try and get it up here. So despite many attempts to try and get the SkyTrack up the hill, it kept getting stuck in the sand. So we had to ratchet the corners and try a different method.
We are dreamers of the shore.
All right, holy moly, we got that thing up there. It's still, as you can see, we just have it kind of ratcheted because the turnbuckles they sent us they're too short. So, I mean, we got it bolted in on the wall face, or like the wall side, but then a couple ratchets holding the far side, you know, up. So we're gonna have to get those turnbuckles quick. Hey guys, it is, gosh, I don't even know the date today, but it's the following day after Tom and I hung in that patio yesterday, but we had to ratchet it together. And I think I talked about this yesterday, but there was a point where Tom was on the forks because he had to cut the ratchet for the, I'm trying to adjust my exposure here. It was tied to the forks to keep it up. But then we didn't think about it, like once we bolted it, we had to, you know, get rid of that ratchet. So that was sketchy. But I'm back here today just to make sure that it didn't fall. I talked to the steel company today that made it, and they're gonna get us new rods and hopefully have those tomorrow. Let's see if it's still up there. It's still up there. Thank God. But I don't want to keep it ratcheted like that much longer. Those things have a load limit, but it looks pretty good. I gotta measure this basement window because we need to order that. That wasn't in our original spec. The township made us put in that egress window. So we got to get that ordered and installed soon. And then actually there was an A-frame that went for sale today in Bel Air that I'm going to call the realtor and I'm going to go look at it. I mean, we got so much going on here, but this is an A-frame that needs some work, definitely needs updating, but the property in the location is gorgeous. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know if we'll be able to swing it. I'm going to go tour it, check it out, maybe go to a bank today and see what options we have in terms of maybe financing. But I mean, it's just, we're doing this ourselves. Like, we don't have investors and stuff. So like, I don't know. Yeah, financing is going to be something we'll have to figure out. But I at least want to just go check it out, you know, tour it and see. So yeah, busy day today. Hopefully we get these rods delivered. Hunter's going to grab them, bring them up tomorrow, and then Tom's going to come back Monday, and hopefully we'll finish this. And then we'll get our framing inspection, installation, and then drywall starting shortly after that. So we'll see how it goes.
Hello, this is Brent.
Hey Brent, my name is Derek Laddick. I was calling you about that A-frame you just listed on road. I was wondering if you have any availability, if I could come by and swing by and check it out today, if possible. Yeah, I can meet you out there. Yeah, I know where it's at.
Okay, I'll meet you there at 1:30.
Perfect. Thanks. Looking forward to it. Well, we'll see. And if life wasn't busy enough with the baby on the way and building the tower, this A-frame would soon change everything.